Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're exploring a simple yet essential word, board. As a verb, board means to get on a vehicle. This could be a bus, train, plane, or even a ship. It's a word you'll often hear in travel or transportation contexts, and it's incredibly useful for daily life. Let's break it down with a few examples. If you're at the airport, you might hear an announcement like, "Passengers, it's time to board the plane." Or imagine you're at the train station and a friend asks, "What time do we board the train?" In both cases, board is used to describe the act of entering or getting on the vehicle. Now, let's talk about some synonyms. Words like embark, get on, or mount can often replace board. For example, we need to embark on the ship by noon, or I'm about to get on the bus. On the other hand, antonyms include disembark, get off, and exit. For instance, we'll disembark the ferry in 30 minutes, or please get off the train at the next station. In everyday life, board is a word that pops up regularly. Whether you're traveling for work or taking a vacation, you'll likely need to board a plane or a bus at some point. It's also used in phrases like all aboard, which you might hear in movies or old train stations, meaning everyone needs to get on now. Here are a few sentences using board. We'll board the ferry at 9 a.m. You should board the bus quickly so you don't miss it. They announced that first-class passengers can board the plane early. To sum up, today we explored the verb board, which means to get on a vehicle. We learned some useful synonyms like embark and get on, as well as antonyms like disembark and exit. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Word today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using board and share it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you use it.
See you next time.